Hello everyone. As we know, a beautiful smile makes you more beautiful. So, today we are going to discuss about a case of 38 years old female patient who wanted her smile to be perfect. The dental problem she was facing before was anterior proclination and gap between her teeth. So, in search of that beautiful smile, she went to some other dental clinic for her treatment and got a result something like this. As you can see, it's a bulky PFM crowns with poor aesthetic gummy smile, which was really a very disappointing result for her. Now let's see how we created that magical smile which she really wanted to have. At first, we removed the PFM crowns and did VIHAR sitting. As you can see, there is excessive crown cutting already done here. Even you can see it through its palatal view also. So here's the tooth structure shows the need of core buildup and reshaping followed by gingivectomy. And after such procedures, this is the result and now we are ready for our next step. Before providing the final crowns, we did some trial procedures to avoid any further problems. And now here's the result of our one more happy patient. We provided her M.A.M.C zirconia crowns. Hope you guys like this beautiful smile makeover. Do subscribe our channel for more such life-changing videos. And thank you for watching. Take care.